Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in today's maths class. Dear students, I hope you all are safe and fine at your places. Yes? Good. So, in our last class, what we have done? Remember? In our last class, we have done additions. Yes? याद है सबको? And in today's class we will do the additions with two numbers and numbers with regrouping. Regrouping वाले सम किए थे ना लास्ट क्लास में, तो आज हम करेंगे additions with regrouping of numbers. Okay, so let's see at the board. 4 2 3 8. This is the sum. Okay, we have to add the numbers that are placed on ones place. सबसे पहले हमें कौन से नंबर्स को, कौन से डिजिट्स को ऐड करना है जो वंस की साइड में है. ओके, सो 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 10. Okay, 10 have 2 digits. 10 में कितने डिजिट्स है? 2. सो हम यहाँ पर वंस टेंस वंस वाली साइड में कर रहे हैं. सो वी विल राइट द नंबर, द डिजिट विच इज प्लेस्ड ऑन वंस साइड. 8 and 2 को जब हमने ऐड किया तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर इज 10. And in 10 here we have 2 digits. And this is ones and this is tens. Now we will write the ones digit here, 0. Now we have left 1. 1 is placed on tens side, so we will write it here. This is called carry. क्या है ये? Carry. 0 यहाँ राइट करेंगे ones के नीचे and 1 will go on the side of tens. Now we will add these 3 digits, 4, 3 and 1. 4 and 3. How we will add them? 4 in our mind and 3 on fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, understand? Okay, look here, one more example of this kind of sum. 5, 4, 3, 7. Ones, tens. Now 7 plus 4. Keep 4 in mind and 7 on fingers. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Now again we have 2 digits, ones and tens. Ones we will write here and tens will go here. Okay, 5 and 3. Keep 5 in mind and 3 on fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 1, 9. 91 is answer. 54 plus 37, the answer is 91. So dear children, now we will do the work, these kind of sums in your books today, and bring out your books quickly. Hurry up, open exercise number 2C on page number 20. Bring it out quickly and write the date on your book also. Date is 4/5/2021. Done? Do quickly. Exercise 2C. 27 plus 63, 45 plus 38, 38 plus 24, 26 plus 14, 55 plus 19. These 5 sums we have in exercise 2C. Ones, tens. Okay. The first sum is 27 plus 63. Where we have to do start the sum from the ones side. Very good. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. Okay. We will start from the next number of 7. 8, 9, 10. 7 and 3, 10. Okay. So here again we have 2 digits. So we will write. कौन सा digit write करेंगे? अभी मैम ने आपको बताया. Which is placed on one side. So 0 and 1 will come here. 1 यहाँ चला जाएगा as a carry. तो अब हम इसको 6, 2 and 1 को ऐड करेंगे. 3 digits को हम ऐड करके यहाँ पर आंसर राइट करेंगे. Okay, 1 and 2, 3. Now 3 in mind and 6 on fingers. 3 के just after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 and 6, 9. So 27 plus 63, the answer is 90. Okay, these are called addends. मैम ने बताया था ना लास्ट वीडियो में. These 2 digits are called addends and this is called sum. Okay, and now this is called carry. Okay, so now add 5 and 8. Keep 5 in our mind and 8 on fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So we will write 3 and 1 will go here as a carry. 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 3, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3, 8. So the answer is 83. Okay, the next sum is 38 plus 24. Now add the 8 and 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 and 4, 12. So we will write 2 here and 1 as a carry. 3 and 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 4 and 2, 6. So the sum is 62. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. 7, 8, 9, 10. Again we will write 0 here and 1 as carry. 2 and 1, 3. The 3 and 1, 4. So the sum is 40. 40, 40. The next is 55 and 19. 5 and 9. Okay, 5 and 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 and 9, 14. So we will write 4 here because 4 is placed on one side and 1 is tens. So 1 will comes here. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 1, 7. So the answer is 74. I hope you all have done. Yes, doing very good. Now we will do the same sums but with 3 numbers. 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 8. Okay, 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 and 8, 13. 13 में हम यहाँ क्या राइट करेंगे? 3. And 1 will goes as a carry. Now 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 6, 12. 12 and 1, 13. So the answer is 133. 26, 14, 22. 6 and 4, 10. 10 and 2, 12. 12. So ones here and tens will here. 2 and 1, 3. 3 and 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now here we have 3 addends. And this is sum. Understand? Okay, to one more example. 46, 11 and 38. 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. What we will write here? 1 or 5? Good, 5. So 1 कहाँ जाएगा? Here we will write the 1 on the top of these digits. 4 and 1, 5. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 3. 6 and 3. 6 के बाद 7, 8 and 9. So the answer of these 3 digits, we have add these 3 and the sum is 95. Now my dear students, I hope you all have understand the topic of these kind of additions. Now do exercise 2C and 2D at your homes. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.